Hi Scorpio, welcome back to Omkara Tarot, and let's do your love bite now. Scorpio, these are general collective readings, will not resonate with all of you. Keep that in mind when you see the video, okay? Take what works for you and leave the rest. So let's see, Scorpio, what message wants to show through for you today. How's your love life now? And yes, let's begin. My angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for Scorpio and send them the messages they need to hear the most right now. Thank you. So Scorpio, welcome back all my subscribers. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being so supportive to the channel. And yes, if you're new here, Scorpio, to join us. Why am I stuttering? I don't know. I'm getting a bit tongue-tied suddenly. So newbies, do subscribe to the channel, become part of us. We welcome you in. Oh, the 10 of Swords is here. No wonder. Somebody wanted to have some kind of clarity about having a restart, and they're feeling rather defeated here. 2 of Cups, the Sun card, Queen of Wands, 6 of Swords, the Star, and the 5 of Swords in reverse. Bottom of my spread, I have the Knight of Wands. Alright, so what I'm getting out of this is maybe somebody was dealing with the Knight of Wands, and now they want to kind of level up and say, hey, I want to have this communication with you. I want to talk to you. Can we have a restart of this connection? I know I've been behaving like this in the past. I have been immature. I've put you through a lot of stress and tension. Maybe this was a marriage or long-term partnership or something, and this person has always kind of misbehaved, I would say, in the past. But now they want to have this clear talk and say, hey, is it possible? Can we do this again? But they're feeling, I don't think they're getting the answer that they really want. But there is the Sun card, center of my spread, which means somebody is looking for that full happiness. They know who their soulmate is, and they have their eye on this Queen of Wands to say, this is the person who's going to make me happy. This is the person who is my true soulmate. This is the one who can make, is sunshine for me. I want to rebirth with this person, but feeling defeated and feeling it may just not happen. They want to leave all this trouble and fights behind, and let's move on to a calm new place. They see this Queen of Wands as the Star now, and feeling whatever mind games or whatever stuff they've done in the past to destroy this connection, actually they've ended up being the loser. Okay, so let me, this is just my feeling. Of course, I'll clarify all these cards, Scorpio. Before that, let's take some dialogue message cards and see if you guys could say something to each other, what that would be. Scorpio and their person, spirit. Scorpio and their person, if they could say something to each other. Okay, let's grab a few more from here, Scorpio. Scorpio and their person. All right, and I'm going to take a couple more from here. Scorpio and their person. I think that's enough. All right, so let's begin your reading, Scorpio. The first card here says, I will never forget the day that I met you, and I will always remember the day that I loved you, for they are one and the same. I enjoy dating and keeping things casual, as I'm not wanting to settle down just yet. This could be the Queen of Wands, by the way. The Queen of Wands who says, I don't want to have a re-beginning. We can be friends now. You've already messed up this connection once. I'm not going to trust you again with my heart. And let's just keep it casual. Let's just be friends here. I don't want to settle down again with you. I hunger for your touch, your kiss, the warmth of your body. I want and I need you now. So the passion is still alive here. They're still very passionate about this Queen of Wands. And this one says, we are getting older and wasting precious time playing these dumbass runner chaser games. Let's just level the F up already. Are we doing this or what? Somebody really wants a clear answer now. We're getting older. Can we just kind of restart once again? And I think this Queen of Wands is wanting happiness and true love in their life now. I always felt your loving energy so strongly as a comforting presence. It hurts me when I can't feel your energy. Are you pulling away from me? Yes, I do feel this Queen of Wands is pulling away from the connection. The endless depth of love that I have for you is a blessing. Sometimes I feel this love feels more like a curse because I'm so focused on you that I don't see anything from you in return. This could have been the dynamic. There could have been a lot of love. This could have been like a soulmate connection at one point. But one person, I think, kept giving more, and they kind of focused all their attention on their partner and got nothing in return. So that's the reason I think one person has saying, no more, I don't want to do this again. You're holding us back because of your self-worth issues and inability to forgive yourself. I've forgiven you. I've forgiven you. Would you just forgive yourself already and let's live our life free from the past? No one is perfect. We see this from two different perspectives. So one person wants a rebirth, I don't think the other person wants it anymore. I know I hurt you. Please forgive me. I'm overwhelmed with obligations. Alright, so Scorpio, if this is resonating with your story, let's get on with the cards and see what the real gist is here. Before that, I am going to take an angel blessing card to see how my angels can help here with a blessing, guidance, advice, or a message for you. Blessing, guidance, advice, or a message. Speak your truth. Yes, yes. Somebody wants to speak their truth. I think this is the Knight of Wands, who was a Knight of Wands. They want to speak their truth, that hey, can we have a reconciliation, can we re-begin again? But I think this is also a message for this Queen of Wands. You must do what makes you happy, Queen of Wands. You don't want to go back to a place where you always feeling like the loser. Maybe when the connection was there, somebody always was trying to be one up or play these mind games, always made you feel like the loser. So please be very precise about what you want now. Don't go back into a place where you can feel like a loser again. So a lot of healing has already been done in this connection from what I feel. So King of Swords Spirit, what does this King of Swords want to say? King of Swords. King of Swords. Yes, they've been feeling a bit down and out, feeling stuck in their life. They want to drop this burden now of feeling always stuck, because maybe this connection has come to kind of an end or something. So somebody has been waiting here, stuck on this Queen of Wands. They want to now say, hey, let's end this burden. Let's not continue this because I don't like this feeling of feeling abandoned and lost. So that's the communication this King of Swords wants to give. Judgment. What's this Judgment card? They don't want this chapter to end. That's what I was feeling. They don't want this chapter to end completely with their partner. They want to leave it open. Let's start again. Let's begin again. This is like a rebirth card. People coming out of their graves to be born again. So that's what this King of Swords wants to say. That hey, can we start again? Let's not end this things between us. Ten of Swords. Ten of Swords. What's this Ten of Swords, Spirit? They want to come back. They want to, this is like returning, somebody from the past returning. They want to come quick and fast, and this person is still in that same energy. I'm sorry, Scorpio. This person who was immature and always rash and brash, and they are still in that same kind of energy where they're saying, hey, listen, we have a soulmate connection. Let's drop the fight now. Let's kind of continue. Let's let this wheel of fortune just keep moving ahead. I do still care, and we have a past. That we are soulmates, and please come back, return back to me. But the way this person is coming is again in the same kind of energy, rash, brash, and bad communication skills, I would say. They have already done something in the past which has betrayed this Queen of Wands. They've already ended this chapter with the Queen of Wands once, which has been very, very heartbreaking, I think, for this Queen of Wands here. So let's see now. Two of Cups, Spirit. What's this Two of Cups? What's this Two of Cups and the Sun card? Yes, this Queen of Wands is very clear of what they want. They want a partner who's going to be their equal match, who can look at them in their eyes and have their cup of love with their cup of love matching, so that you fill my cup, I fill your cup, and they are putting an end to anything that was toxic in their life. Maybe this past connection was toxic, even though I think this past person is saying, hey, no, we have this special connection as well. But look at the way they're still approaching, right? So this Queen of Cups is in a very good space at the moment, I would say. This Queen of Wands. This person has found their happiness in their own life. They are shining. They are a go-getter now. They are doing a great job of their life. And they are saying, I'm not allowing anything which is going to be toxic. I'm putting an end to all this. It could have been a nice connection at one time, but it's turned toxic now. I don't want this anymore. Let this be the end of this. So what's the Sun card then, Spirit? What's the Sun card, center of my spread? One more. And this Queen of Wands is in high demand, it seems. Yes, they are very also quite open and honest with their communication. This Queen of Wands is not afraid anymore. They're communicating their truth that, hey, I don't think I want to work with you anymore. I want to put an end to this. I'm in a happy space right now, and I want to move forward instead of going backward. Yes, they don't trust their past partner at all. They've been very, very badly hurt in this past connection, and they say, hey, I am now looking gorgeous. I can now get anyone that I want, or even if I don't want, I'm in a very good, happy space in my life, and I don't trust you at all. I don't trust that you're not going to do the same thing again. Am I right, Spirit? Queen of Wands, another one. Yes, they're holding their ground. They say this has already come to a stagnancy. This relationship has already halted. I am now guarding myself. I have had enough of the battered and bruised times that I've spent. I am hurting even now, but I'm now protecting myself. I'm not going to allow anyone to disrupt my sunshine. Whole point is here, this Queen of Wands doesn't trust this past person anymore. They want to leave all troubles behind and move on to a happy place for themselves. Six of Swords, Spirit. Yes, they're turning their back. They're turning their back. They would rather see what else is out there. Not going to stay in a place which has created so much trouble in their life. Oh my God. What's this King of Wands and the King of Cups, Spirit? Somebody still wants to heal this connection. They're going to try every trick in the trade to say, hey, no, but please come back. We can have a balanced relationship this time. I love you. I want to take action towards you. These are not two different people from what I see. This is the same past person trying to say, please heal it with me. I do love you still. I am still very passionate about you. This time, I promise I'm going to have this balanced relationship with you. Basically, that they are feeling a bit left out. They're feeling they have a lot of regret. They are having sleepless nights about their partner maybe moving on. They are wishing and praying, and they're feeling that whatever mind games they've played in the past with this Queen of Wands has actually kind of backfired on them. They are the losers now. Yes, because now they don't like their partner to be single and available and shining out there, it seems. They've been watching them. Yes, they've been spying on them big time. They see this Queen of Wands shining now. They see this Queen of Wands as a shining star. And they don't like the fact that this person is now single, available, and can get snapped up at any time. So they are trying every character possible to say, hey, I'm your King of Cups, I'm your King of Wands, I want to have this balanced relationship with you. What's this Five of Swords spirit? Five of Swords? Yes, this person is angry basically. They're angry, they are upset, they are jealous, they are feeling like they are the ones who became the losers in this bargain. So be a little mindful, Queen of Wands, whoever you are in this dynamic. Scorpio, this could be you, this could be your cross watcher, I don't know. This little bit of distrust that you have, that inkling that you have that you can't trust this person, you could be right. You could be right. This person is still in their very lower vibration right now. They are not speaking their truth. They are just upset because they feel that they lost out. Maybe in the past they were a player in this relationship and they thought they could get away with it. I am going to take a clarifier for this as well. Knight of Wands spirit. Knight of Wands. Knight of Wands. This Knight of Wands may have been a Knight of Wands, yes. They are only upset because this relationship has now reached a stagnancy. Now they have made that decision that they don't want to, be pulled in different directions. They don't want to play around anymore. They are now wanting their Queen of Pentacles back, the spouse. They want to have this happily ever after. After I think they messed it up big time. Not just small, big time in the past. Now that their Queen of Pentacles has become the Queen of Wands, is shining, now they are feeling that, hey, I want this back. I want this back. Why? Because they've been watching. They've been watching this Queen of Wands glow up. So totally depends on your personal circumstances. Some of you may take a chance, some may not. But from what I see, this person is basically just angry because they feel that they played this Queen of Wands and eventually now they are the loser. Okay, so that's all I have for you, Scorpio. Take care, love and light. Namaste. I'll see you next week.